Alright, it's Thursday afternoon. About ready to walk out of here. Ooh. If I'm out of here in 3 minutes, I'm going to be late. You know, because I can't be here after closing. Anyway, this is our last minute emergency. We have here a chicken with a left broken leg. Oh, I just gave this girl some pain meds, so she's feeling better. I have so many employees that speak chicken. It's awesome. Anyway, so they have approved. We're going to go ahead and fix this broken leg in the morning. And that's what she looks like tonight. You like your chicken food, huh? Yeah. Okay, fix my leg. Okay, here's our emergency chicken from last night. Worth a little dangly, as you can see it right here. Good news is it's got some really good innovation. So to go ahead and pin that today. Why do you have to poop on a surgery table? Ugh. Anyway, we will clean this up and get him ready. Alright, that's it for now. Anyway, our buddy here is waking up from anesthesia. Oh, here we go. You don't know how this happened, but this girl here has broken her leg. She is over 3 years old. She is actually a pet, lives around the house, and mom and family love her. So we're going to go ahead and have pinned her leg. Hey. Oh, yeah. Oh. Come on, girl. Wake up. Wake up. There's some swallowing. My hands are not ashy, I just took my gloves off. Oh, you're holding your head up. There's a start. Open your eyes, real chicken. Colonel Sanders is coming. Dun, 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 dun. Miss Barbara stopped everything she did to turn around and check out the chicken.
You do have a chicken.
I told you. You think I make this stuff up?
We don't.
How's that for cool?
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Oh, I'm moving. Is that you? Hey, you.
They must love that chicken.
It almost turned into a song. There's a lot of bruising in there. The good news is she should heal well.
Okay, do you want 2 O? O? Let me grab an additional maxi pad.
Oh, come on. No, I don't want to open my eyes. It sucks out there. Alright. I'm getting a cramp from holding this heavy phone. Ugh. How did this work? Oh, of course, I got the button pushed in. All right, here's our chicken. Things we just noticed is we have right there a ruptured egg. You can actually see the partially, no, not very much, partially calcified eggshell right there. There's some yolk. That's pretty much it that we're seeing in there for now, but obviously she's still laying. The stress of surgery and being here obviously has caused that one to rupture. The good news is, according to x-rays, there is no retained eggs anywhere in the abdomen. As of our post-op x-ray, matter of fact, what we did see, that's it. That's good news. So she is resting and eating after surgery. She's figured this out. To clean up against the bowl and you're good. Yay. Alright, parents come pick you up in a few. Later, girlie. See you in a week. Oh, use that leg. Show him. You can do it. Not yet, but she'll be using the next day or two. Alright, that's it for now. Oh, look at sexy stainless steel dust sheet, man.